Now, former Vice President and rebel leader in the Democratic Republic of Congo, Jean-Pierre Bemba, could soon be going home. That's if the judges of the International Criminal Court rule in his favor.
Yeah, our correspondent Jack Parrock is in The Hague. A very good morning to you, Jack. What's the latest?
Well, today at the International Criminal Court, we have seen that Jean-Pierre Bemba and his co-defendants, Mr. Kilolo and Mr. Mangenda, have not decided to attend this court hearing. We have seen a very last-minute submission by the International Criminal Court's prosecution saying that essentially, because this case relates to witness tampering, that they should be given the maximum sentence, and that maximum sentence should consider the fact that the witness tampering was related to the trial for war crimes and crimes against humanity for which Jean-Pierre Bemba himself was acquitted of last month. There have been some fierce words from the defence and the prosecution in the International Criminal Court today. The defence lawyer for Jean-Pierre Bemba has been saying that the prosecution is playing to the peanut gallery. They say that the prosecutor is trying to be judge, jury and executioner in this case and not following the due procedure of the case. The prosecutor is saying that they can't believe what they're hearing from the defence lawyers, that the conviction for witness tampering means that there has been a clear sign from Jean-Pierre Bemba and his associates to break down the power of this court and the standing and the stature of the International Criminal Court. There's a lot more to go. We're expecting a lot of strong words from both the defence and the prosecution as we head in through this day. But what we know from the judges of the International Criminal Court is that today will not be the day that they decide whether they extend Jean-Pierre Bemba's conviction to the maximum for witness tampering in this case to 5 years, which means he would have to return here to detention in the Hague for an additional 6 months because he was in prison for 4.5 years since this case began. He's acquitted now of the war crimes and crimes against humanity charges, and he cannot see those charges brought against him here at the International Criminal Court again. We will have to wait and see today whether the judges now will set another date for when we can find out whether he will be have his sentence for this witness tampering case extended to a full 5 years and then return back here to detention.